Welcome back. We're back to the Subaru project, as I like to call it, 1998 Subaru Legacy Outback. Just did exhaust in it. Needs this, which is universal joint for the front of the shifter. The wear out makes the shifter really sloppy. I'll show you the part number here. Here's your part number. I'll try to read it to you and show it to you at the same time. 35047AC030. I'll show you. We're going to replace that. We may have to replace some other bushings as well, but we're going to start with this and see what everything else looks like. Should be fun. I'm looking up at the top of the transmission here, manual transmission. I've got my own 2 sensor just kind of pushed up out of the way. You see this roll pin. I think it's a dual. I think it's 2 roll pins, one inside each other. That we have to get out to drive that out so we can get this. This is the joint that I showed you in the beginning. To get that loose, but it is. It's out. Kind of a funky looking thing. I think it's an inner and an outer. I was able to drive it out all one, just drive the whole thing out in one shot. But I think there's an inner. Looks like there's an inner one and an outer one. But it came out of there. Punched it out. So I'm going to take this, I think 12 millimeter. We're going to get that loose. Pry that bushing off. I hope. Try to move this collar. Get a pry bar in there maybe. See if I can get it to move a little bit because it's pretty rusty. Maybe free it up and then see if we can go up inside and get this thing apart. I've got that bolt off. Got the outer piece. There's usually a spring hook to this, but that's long gone. Right there. Got that off. I'm just going to try to see if I can pry this out off of that bolt. Stud, whatever it is. Stud, I guess it is. Try to hold the camera and show you at the same time. There you go. There it is. I've got to get in here. I don't know yet if I can just... I think maybe I can just take this front piece out. If not, I've got to remove the console, but I don't think I have to, but I know this has got to come off, so we'll just unscrew the shifter knob. Should be able to just take that off of there, I think. Maybe. Maybe not. I think so, though. Yeah, it's just... I think that should unscrew. I would think. Come on. Yep. Okay, takes care of that. I don't know about this. I can see there's a gap, and I'm hoping that it's just this front piece that can get in there and undo it. I don't know. I don't want to break anything. I just don't know yet. I may have to take this whole back piece off. I'm not sure yet. I don't see any side pieces here. This obviously comes out. Doesn't mean I'm not going to have to remove the back half of this console to get it out because it might be tucked under in the back here. I don't know. 2 screws in the back. Let me just up right behind the handbrake is a emergency brake, 2 Phillips head screws. Let me take them out. I'd rather not break things. And since I don't know, I'll try my best not to do that. I'm good at it, but I really don't want to do it. Right, 2 screws there. Now let's see what we got. Let's see if I can get this to move at all. Yeah, there we go. There we go. 2 screws in the back. There it goes, in half. That was nice and dirty, which I kind of expected that. Yeah, pretty nice. All right, overhead shot. Best I can. See if we can do that. Just to hang you off the steering wheel. See how that works out. These 2 front ones here. Oop, there goes my light. Okay. Just set them aside here. Let me get a knife to cut this piece here. Alright. Come here. Let's not cut our fingers. Just split that in half. Just like that. So I can peel that back out of the way. Get at those screws. And get them out. Oh, that was tight. on. There's that and the ring. This boot come out? Come out with it. I think it comes out with it. So I think I've got to force go back underneath, push that joint back off of that shaft. And then I know it's mounted in the back as well here. It just kind of fits into that. So I don't think I can push it forward. I have to push it back first, I believe, to get that out. And then I should be able to get it out of here. Let me go back underneath and see if I can move that. So I was able to get underneath, just kind of tap on it, push it back. It's off. Now I probably have to pry it forward to get it out of this back mount now that it's off the shaft in the front. Let me get my pry bar, and then we should be able to pull it out of here. So there's a pretty good gap in the back here, which I want to take the space up if I can, just so I have something to push against. At least that's my plan. Way too loose. I don't have to crush it, I just have to kind of, I think that'll be enough. Yeah, I know, you can't see. Like I said, I can't either. Well, that's better though. Oh, there we go. That's all I need. Need something to push against. Now, let's see if I can fish it out. Forward a little more. There we go. There we go. We'll get out of here. There we go. And there's the piece I want to get at. Look at it. It is just destroyed. This bushing is probably not too bad. I might leave that alone. Just clean it up a little bit. But this is what I want to get at. Let's go over to the bench and get it apart.